Hello everyone, in today's lesson we shall understand the concept of atomic physics. To start with, let's understand the terms atom and its structure. Think about how the Earth and other planets rotate around the Sun, or how a car moves in a circular path. In the same way, electrons move around the nucleus of an atom. So, an atom is defined as the smallest particle of an element that can take place in a chemical reaction. An atom consists of three subatomic particles, that is, the electrons, protons, and neutrons. One particular thing you have to keep in mind is that the mass of an atom is concentrated inside its nucleus. Let's discuss these subatomic particles in details. To start with, the electrons. Electrons are subatomic particles that orbit around the shell of an atom. Did you know that electrons carry a negative charge? Maybe that is why they are not found inside the nucleus of an atom. Also, they have a mass of 1/1840. Let's move on to the neutrons. The neutrons carry no charge, but nevertheless, they have a mass of 1. Now, a proton is not that different to a neutron, only that it is positively charged. Let's now understand what mass number and atomic number mean. Well, take a look at magnesium. This right here is what we call the chemical symbol. The number on top is called the mass number, while the number that is down is called the atomic number. Let's now understand the meaning of the terms atomic number and mass number. Mass number is the total number of protons and neutrons in the nucleus of an atom. Well, proton number is another term you would use instead of atomic number. Let's make our way to radioactivity. Now, what is the meaning of radioactivity? So, radioactivity in itself simply means the spontaneous disintegration of an unstable atomic nuclide to form a more energetically stable atom. In this video, we will discuss the three kinds of radioactive substances, that is, alpha radiation, beta radiation, and gamma radiation. Let's start with alpha radiation. Now, alpha particles have got a very weak ionization power. They tend to be stopped by a single sheet of paper and cannot penetrate the outer layer of the skin. Also, did you know that these particles are very strong ionization type of radiation? Yes, alpha particles are deflected to the negatively charged plates in electrical fields, and they are also affected by magnetic fields. Alpha particles carry a positive charge and are mostly referred to as a helium nucleus. This is so because they carry 2 protons and 2 neutrons. Let's talk about beta particles. Now, a beta particle consists of only 1 electron, and it is negatively charged. It is affected by magnetic field and has got a very weak ionization power. But nevertheless, it can be stopped by aluminum foil. It also has got a very high penetrating power. And also, they are affected by magnetic fields. Let's move on to gamma radiation. Now, gamma radiation is a type of radiation that does not get affected by a magnetic or electrical field, though their penetrating power is amazing. Did you know that they cannot be stopped by anything? Yes, perhaps they can only be slowed down by lead. Now, gamma radiation has got the shortest wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum. And lastly, they have a very weak ionization power.